Hello everyone, welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. Today we will cover global market updates, key corporate developments, along with the second quarter result updates, economic events to track, key actionables based on fund flow activities, and trading and investment strategy for the next few days. Starting with the market roundup, yesterday market snapped their 3-day losing streak and closed in the red. The Sensex declined 0.8% to end at 65,877, while the Nifty also dropped 0.7% to settle at 19,670. Among the losers, Nifty Bank fell 1.2%, led by Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, and Kotak Bank, all declining by 1 to 1.5%. While in the gainers, Nifty Auto ended higher, so Tata Motors rose 1.9%, while Maruti and M&M also closed 0.3% higher. If you take a look at the broader markets, Nifty Midcap 100 fell 0.3%, while Small Cap Index was also down 0.9%. 290 stocks scaled 52-week highs, while 27 stocks were trading at 52-week lows. The market breadth was also skewed in the favor of the bears. About 2,262 stocks declined, while 1,400 stocks gained, and 142 remained unchanged on the BSE. Coming to global markets, all the three major indices, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500, were down more than 1% each. And the key reasons for the sell-off was that the US 10-year bond yield spiked 12 basis points and is now trading at 4.95%. This level was last seen in 2007. And the dollar index also ended 0.3% higher and is currently trading at 106.6. The US Fed meeting is scheduled on 1st November, and today Fed Chair Jerome Powell is also scheduled to speak at some event, so all eyes will be on his speech as well. Also, earnings in the US have been on the weaker side, as well as the ongoing Israel-Hamas war and the associated geopolitical conflict is putting pressure on the markets. Taking a look at the key earnings reactions overnight in the US market, so United Airlines was down 10% after delivering soft guidance. Morgan Stanley, the bank, also reported a bad set of results and the stock was down 7%, its worst day since 2020. ASML and Nvidia, the chip makers, also continued their correction after US tightened its supplies to China. Post-market in the US, Netflix reported a good set of numbers with above expectation subscriber additions, and the stock was up 12% in after hours trading, while Tesla missed its expectations and the stock was down 4% in after hours trading. Taking a look at the crude oil, so Iran's foreign minister yesterday called for an oil embargo against Israel, and this led to crude oil futures climbing, with the Brent crude trading above $91 a barrel. European indices also ended 1% lower yesterday, while today, as we speak, all the key Asian indices like the Nikkei, Taiwan, Kospi, and Straits Times are trading 1% in the red. And the GIFT Nifty is also indicating that the markets, our markets, will likely open around 100 to 120 points lower. Talking about fund flows, FIIs continued to sell, so they net sold 1,800 crores yesterday, while DIIs continued to provide the buying support, buying 1,470 crore worth of equities yesterday. So overall, the sentiment is looking subdued, and with the current result season on, we expect stock-specific action to continue. In key actionables, so the key results that came out yesterday post market, IndusInd Bank, the bank reported inline set of results, and it is likely to report growth of 18 to 23% for FY24. It currently trades at 1.5 times FY25 price to book. So one can buy IndusInd Bank with price target of 1,700 to 1,800 rupees. We remain positive on the stock. While on the other hand, Bandhan Bank, the company reported mixed set of numbers, and the net NPAs were also up on a sequential basis. So one should avoid the stock currently. In some other key results that came out yesterday, Bajaj Auto, the company reported extremely good set of results led by healthy growth in three-wheeler sales, domestic two-wheelers sales, and premium motorcycles. Exports are also seeing gradual recovery. So there was good margin expansion, and profit was also up 17% YOY. So this stock can be bought with medium term horizon for levels of 5800 to 6000 rupees. Astral, the pipe maker, also reported good set of results. Titagarh Wagon, this is a 10,000 crore market cap company and is a wagon manufacturer. So extremely good set of results over here. Revenue was up 58% YOY, EBITDA was up 115%, while PAT was almost up 2x. And second half is expected to be better than first half, which was already very good. And this company also trades at 30 times P multiple, which given the growth forecast is looking extremely cheap. So positive set of results and update on Titagarh Wagons. In terms of IT numbers that came out post market, so Wipro was bad, while Persistent and LTI Mindtree were better than estimates. So mixed set of results from IT companies. In some key results today. So on the consumption side, we'll have the first set of updates. So HUL, ITC, and Nestle, all the three FMCG heavyweights, will be reporting their results today. Ultratech Cement, the cement heavyweight, will be reporting its numbers, as also Havells India, Voltas, mid-cap IT stocks like Emphasis, and also some discretionary consumer names like Metro Brands and PVR Inox will be reporting their numbers. So for more news updates and result updates, kindly refer to our morning report, which we will be posting it on Telegram, as well as you can access it on the website in the research section. In some fund flow driven action, so promoter buying and selling, Star Cement, the promoter continues to sell its stake, and it sold 2.3 lakh shares from 26 September to 29 September. While on the other hand, promoter of Som Distilleries and Breweries is entering the company again. So they bought around 10,000 shares each on 18th October. In bulk and block deals, so Divgi Talk Transfer Systems, this is an auto ancillary company. ICICI Pru Mutual Fund bought around 2% stake or 6.2 lakh shares, while Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund sold 3.4% stake at 1,080 rupees per share. So exchange of hands by mutual funds in this stock. Gujarat Pipavav Port, this Wisdom Tree India investment bought around 0.5% at 138 rupees per share. So it seems the escalation of the Israel-Hamas conflict is putting pressure on the global equity markets, as also the rise in the US 10-year bond yield. So Nifty again today will open below 19,700 levels, and factors such as crude oil will be keenly watched. The US Fed meeting is now fast approaching, so scheduled on 1st November, and so markets will also focus on whether rate hikes are still left in 2023, or we'll see a pause from the US Fed. So it's expected to be a choppy trading session today. So we suggest trading gradually and lightly, and leverage should be avoided. Thank you and have a happy trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.